That little squeak or rattle near your front seat can drive you absolutely crazy. If your 2022 through present Subaru WRX makes a noise from the headrest area over bumps, stay with me, because the repair cost can vary more than most drivers expect. A lot of people notice it on rough pavement first. You hit a patchy road, a driveway edge, or a broken section of asphalt, and something up near the front seat starts chirping, creaking, or rattling. At first, it does not sound serious. It sounds like one of those small interior noises you plan to ignore for a week, then end up hearing every single day. That is what makes this kind of problem so annoying. The car may drive completely fine, but the sound keeps pulling your attention away from everything else. Most drivers do not immediately blame the headrest area. A lot of people think it is loose trim, something in the door, a seatbelt adjuster, or even something rolling around under the seat. Then the noise keeps coming back. It happens over uneven roads, rough pavement, and small jolts that shake the cabin just enough to trigger it. This appears to affect 2022 through present Subaru WRX models with a front seat headrest area noise over uneven roads. It is the kind of issue that can make a newer car feel older than it really is. This is not about engine trouble, transmission trouble, or a warning light on the dash. It is a cabin noise complaint that shows up while driving, even when the car otherwise feels normal. There are no confirmed diagnostic trouble codes tied to this problem. In plain English, that means you are usually chasing a noise, not a check engine light. That is also why the problem can be frustrating at the dealership. If the noise is slight, intermittent, or only shows up on certain roads, it can be harder to duplicate right away. The good news is that Subaru issued a repair direction for this exact kind of complaint. So if your WRX has that seat or headrest area rattle over bumps, there is a defined path for the dealer to inspect and correct it. What drivers tend to feel is not danger, but irritation. You buy a sporty car like a WRX because you want it to feel tight, solid, and well put together. So when a noise starts coming from right beside your head, it makes the whole car feel less refined every time you drive. Even if nothing major is wrong mechanically, it can make every trip less enjoyable. A lot of owners with interior noises like this go through the same guessing game. They press on trim pieces, move the seat, adjust the headrest, clear out cup holders, and still hear the sound on the next rough road. That leads to the false assumption that the noise must be random. Usually it is not random at all. It is often one repeatable movement in one specific area that only shows up under the right vibration. That is why these noises can sound different from one day to the next. Temperature changes, seat position, road texture, and whether someone is sitting in the passenger seat can all change how obvious the noise feels. If you are trying to describe it, the most accurate words are usually squeak, creak, tick, or light rattle. It is the kind of sound that seems minor until you cannot stop noticing it. Some owners with Subaru interior rattles have talked about how hard these sounds are to track down. The frustration usually is not that the car is breaking down, but that the noise feels close enough to hear constantly and vague enough to be hard to pinpoint. That matters when you take the car in. The more clearly you can describe when it happens, the easier it is for the shop to narrow it down. If it happens mostly over uneven roads, mention that. If it sounds like it is coming from the front seat headrest area, mention that too. If it gets worse with no passenger in the seat, or changes when the seat is adjusted, that is worth telling them. Small details can save a lot of guesswork. For most drivers, the real concern is simple. Is this just an annoying interior noise, or is it a sign something in the seat assembly is loose and getting worse? In most cases, this kind of complaint is treated as a noise repair rather than a major safety failure. But that does not mean you should ignore it forever, especially if the sound gets louder or more frequent. Even a small interior noise can get worse over time as parts keep rubbing, shifting, or vibrating. And once you are out of warranty, an annoying little fix can become your bill instead of Subaru's. So what does the repair usually look like from the customer side? First, the shop confirms the noise, isolates the seat or headrest area, and then follows the seat area repair procedure Subaru put in place for this complaint. The exact final fix can depend on what they find during inspection. Some visits stay fairly small, while others take more time if the noise is stubborn or if parts in that area need extra attention. That brings us to cost. If you are paying out of pocket in 2026, a rough independent shop total could land around $150 to $350 if it stays limited to diagnosis and a minor seat area noise repair. At a dealership, a rough total is more like $220 to $500 for that same kind of basic outcome. If the problem turns into a more involved seat area repair with additional parts or labor, those numbers can climb higher. That is why it is smart to address it early. A small squeak or rattle is usually cheaper to deal with before it turns into a bigger teardown or a longer diagnostic visit. If your 2022 through present Subaru WRX has been making a squeaking noise, creak, or rattle from the front seat or headrest area over bumps, you are definitely not the only one hearing something like this. Let me know in the comments what your WRX sounds like and when it happens. And if this helped you figure out what may be going on, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience below.